Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're taking a quick look at the Acebeam H16 right angle flashlight and headlamp. So I did get the high CRI version. I have a couple other headlamps and they're all cool white, and cool white really does wash out and distort my colors and things around me. So I really like the Nichia 519A. I recently started putting it in a lot of my lights, and I saw this, this little headlamp, and it was only 20 bucks on Amazon. And I recently got a couple Acebeam products, and they're super nice. I'm very happy with them. So I decided, why not get this little headlamp? So I got it. Yay for me. All right, so it comes with a USB-C charging cable. There is no port on the flashlight, so you do need to remove the battery from the flashlight to charge it. You have two O-rings and, of course, the headlamp strap and holder. Well, and of course your user manual. So this has three modes plus turbo. Well, 5 modes total. It has an ultra low, so if you hold it for like a half a second, it'll turn on. Look at that hot spot. Nice, big, clean hot spot. And then, if you have it on from ultra low, you can hold it to cycle through low, medium, high, double click for turbo. From off, let's say you want to go to the last mode. It goes back to high. It does not go to ultra low or turbo. So we'll go to low, turn it off, turn it back on, it's back to low. Click it 3 times and you have your SOS. There is no strobe. This isn't really something I would use to try and strobe someone or something. It's not necessarily really bright, and it's the beam, like the niches are very kind to your eyes if you accidentally look at them. Unlike a cool white, which will burn your retinas right off. There's enough lumens. All right, it also does come with a pocket clip. It is a deep carry, and it is also 2-way, so you could put it on your head, I guess. But I don't think it's made for that. I think it's made to just keep in your pocket or stick in here, not necessarily attached to your hat. The headlamp strap itself is very nice. There's some silicone around the front to help keep it where you want it. And then most of you are probably going to use this as a headlamp. So when you do remove the pocket clip, you can potentially scratch your light. So just be aware of that. And I don't really care if I scratch my lights because they're there to be used, in my opinion. But I know some people do not like to scratch their lights. So you slip this right in here, and it's got these 2 slots on the flashlight. And there you go. I appreciate this flashlight holder, as it's pretty tight. So it's gonna keep the light where you put it. All right, so I did get the Nichia 519A version. This one is, I think it's really cool that they actually put the temp and the CRI on the side. So CRI is 90, color temperature is 5,000. It is grade 3 hard anodization. Everything is very smooth, really nice machining, no sharp edges. Button is fun to click, and you can click it without it turning on, as you need to press it twice to turn it on, or long hold for ultra low. All right, it does have a magnet on the bottom, so that's always an added bonus in my book. All right, so there is no charging port on the light. To charge it, you need to remove the battery, but it does have a built-in USB-C charging port, so that makes it pretty easy. While the battery's charging, it is going to glow. There's going to be a red light that glows, and I can show you. I did just charge it, so okay. So it's red, and when it's fully charged, it will turn green. All right, looking at the flashlight, looks like a gold-plated spring. Very nice. And the cap is really easy to get on and off. Like you can single twist one motion on and off. So it's the little things. And Acebeam, I thought this one comes off. Maybe not. Ow. All right, so this is not removable without like some ratchet straps, rubber straps. Down in there you can see, looks like a brass contact. All right, there we go, it's green. So I'm glad you got to see how the battery charges. You can also use, I don't know if flat tops work, but if you have, oh my gosh. If you have other 14500 batteries, these do work. But yeah, I don't have any flat tops right now. There we go. But yeah, look at those, the threads are just great. I love that I can just boom, on and off. All right. So I do want to show you how small this really is. You know, here's my pinky. It's about that size. It's very light. It feels really good when it's on your head because you really don't notice it. So I brought a couple friends to compare the size. This is the Acebeam Pokelet. Orcos TS10. Lumen Top AA. I put a Nichia in there as well, and in my Pokelet. So there's two versions. There's the high CRI version, and then there's the high lumen version. So this one maxes out at 650 lumens. I measured like 620 lumens at turn on, and about 550 30 seconds later. So it does claim to hold turbo for 45 seconds, and then after that it will run on high 310 lumens for, I'm sorry, 230 lumens for an hour and 45 minutes If you just run it on high the whole time, it'll run for 2 hours. On medium, which is 130 lumens, it runs for 8 hours. Double check these numbers. Okay, so high is 230 lumens, medium is 100 lumens, 8 hours. On low, 30 lumens for 16 hours, and ultra low, 5 lumens for 58 hours. And it'll also do SOS for 38 hours. So if you're lost, you know, and it's freshly charged, it'll last for 38 hours. The cool white version, the low CRI version, it tops out at 1,000 lumens, and it does have further throw as it is brighter and higher candela. But it's just a really nice little light. Acebeam just makes really good, high quality products. And I just like the little added features, like this one has a stainless steel bezel and 4 SFT40. So you guys know I had to get this, and I'll be reviewing this very soon. So stay tuned for that. This is a nice light. Man, I love this light. I'm super happy with it, and I am going to purchase more Acebeam products coming up here. I also got the Rider RX titanium, so that will be reviewed soon as well. This is it compared to the i3T. This is the carbon fiber flashlight. I just think this is super cool. All right, so let's go take a look at the beam, and then we'll be back. Hey guys, I'm out here with the Acebeam H16. Right now I have it on ultra low. This mode will run for 58 hours, and it is a nice usable beam. Like if it's pitch black, if there's light, it's tough to see. All right. Next mode, this is 30 lumens. This is on low. And I have it on my head, as I figure most of you will be using this light for that, you know, as a headlamp. All right, let's go to medium. This is 100 lumens. Very usable and very easy on the eyes. Here's high. There's my dog. And turbo. So this is a lot of light. You can't use it for very long, but you know, when you need it, it's there for you. All right, so as you could see, it's a really nice mellow beam. It's really great for being up close. It's not a projector light. Like it doesn't throw very far. This is for working on projects that are potentially in your hands or close to you. You know, it'd be good. On the higher settings, it's really good for hiking, really anything. Walking your dog, camping. It's just a great little light to have. Oh, there we go. If I put the clip down here, then you could have a light going straight down off your cap. but it does have the strap for that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I do flashlight reviews, I do modifications, and if there's anything that you want to see, just let me know. I also did get a custom penguin light, that I'm gonna review soon, as I don't see any reviews for his lights, but this is just another really cool light. So stay tuned for that. You guys stay bright, and I'll see you in the next video.